Hello friends, I am Yash. Today I am making video for incoming inspection, that is inspection type 01. Before that I will show you one QM inspection type chart which I made, and in this QM inspection chart I had maintained all prerequisite data. So let's move towards this inspection type chart. Here, as you showing on the screen, left hand side all inspection type I was maintaining, and with respect to that particular inspection type I had maintained all necessary information. So let's start with inspection type 01. Inspection type 01 is nothing but good receipt inspection for purchase order. Its functional area is procurement, means raw material we can procure from outside vendor, and during our procurement procedure this inspection lot generated. Some prerequisites is also needed for this generating inspection lot, that is incoming inspection. So this prerequisites is nothing but inspection plan and MIC. Some uses and status we will maintain for generating any kind of inspection lot. So for generating incoming inspection lot, we use uses 5, that is good receipt, and status 4, that is release for general. So what is this uses 5 and status 4? I will tell you during our demo session. Some inspection types are stock relevant, some inspection types are non-stock relevant. So our good receipt inspection for purchase order, that is inspection type 01, is stock relevant. Next is sequence of transaction steps. So generating any kind of inspection lot in SAP, there are some sequences. So for inspection type 01, good receipt inspection for purchase order, there is also some sequence. So first we will create PO, we will release that PO, against we will do good receipt against that purchase order. Once our good receipt completed, inspection lot created starting with 1, because our inspection lot number is 01. Then with this inspection lot we will do result recording, usage decision, and stock posting. This inspection lot application is for raw material. Most of the raw material we can procure from outside vendors, so this application is raw material. Application area is raw material. Okay, so now let's move towards our demo. First thing is I will maintain QM view for that particular inspection type. So I select quality management view. Here is my quality management view. Here I will maintain inspection type. So I click here inspection setup. There is no any inspection type. Create inspection type here. Here I will select inspection type 01, that is good receipt inspection for purchase order. Then I will activate by clicking here. Again I will check that my inspection type 01 is properly fetched or not. So all the business transaction, that is post to inspection, stock, inspection with task list, automatic assignment, check characteristics is marked. So for checking purpose I will open it. So here is everything is okay. So now I tick mark and I will save it. So my material is saved. My next step is to create inspection plan for that particular material. So T code for creating inspection plan is nothing but QP01 or QP01. Here I maintain first material and my plant. Enter. So group counter, what is my group counter? This is our first inspection plan for that particular material. So our group counter is 1. Here I maintain uses as a 5. So as during QM chart explanation, I had told you that what is meant by uses 5. Uses 5 is nothing but good receipt inspection, means we have to receive some material against purchase order. So that's why I use uses 5. Then I use status as a 4. 4 means release for general. Some status are only for costing, some statuses are only for production, but inspection status 4 is release for general all. Now I will click on operation. For making inspection plan, no need to maintain work center. It is not mandatory field, but we have to maintain quality control key. So for a particular inspection or particular inspection plan, we have to use control key QM01. So why I use this QM01 control key, I will tell you. There are number of control key, but I use QM01 control key because in QM01 control key, inspection characteristics require business transaction mark. We want to use that control key in which inspection characteristics require mark business transaction is activated. So in my QM01 or QM01 control key, it is already. So that's why I will choose it. Now I will select this operation 10 and move towards inspection characteristics. Okay, sorry, PS01. Again, I will show you. 1 minute. Here I put QM01 control key. Okay. Then I will select this inspection type and click on inspection characteristics. Here I will maintain MICs and my sampling procedure. So I will choose one of the MICs. So my MICs is nothing but I choose thickness, and my sampling plan is nothing but I will choose sampling plan which I made earlier. Enter. After maintaining all this thing, here is one symbol, consistency check. I will check consistency for that particular MIC, particular sampling procedure, and particular inspection plan. The function for using this consistency check is nothing but if any warning message, any information message, any error message is available for making this inspection plan. So in our system, all is 0, means our quality inspection plan is ready for saving. So now I can save it. Here message will come with inspection plan with plan group 35 for material so and so is saved. So as I see on the chart, my first sequence is to create PO. My first sequence is to create PO. So now I will make PO for that particular material. So T code for creating material is nothing but ME21N. ME21N. Actually, for creating PO is the task of guy, but time being I can do it. It's not any big activity. Here some mandatory details like vendor, purchase organization, purchase group, company code we need to maintain. Here I will maintain my material. For that I want to create inspection lot. Here I will maintain some quantity, net price. Here I will maintain my plant. Next, here I will maintain one tax code. And now I will check here again, is this my PO is ready for saving? So there is no any error or warning message. So now I will save it. So now my PO number is generated, means my PO is created. So now I will release that PO. The T code for creating releasing PO is nothing but ME29N. ME29N. So here I will put my PO number. My PO number is nothing but last 84. Here in release strategy, I will release that particular PO and save it. So my PO is released. So as as I go to QM chart, my next step is good receipt for the particular PO, mean good receipt against the PO. So now maintain Migo as command bar, and I will do Migo means good receipt against purchase order. Here I put purchase order. My purchase order number is nothing but last 8484. Okay, and then I made enter. So after entering all data of that particular material is properly fetched, I will check one by one. First, I will tick mark on this item. Okay. Next, I will check quantity. Yes, my quantity is 10 coming here. In where I will maintain storage location where I want to put that particular material. Next, purchase order number is okay. Partner is vendor is okay. In batch, I will put here manual number of any. Enter. Next, I will check that my good receipt is properly done or not. So here is one error message that enter delivery note. It's not any big task. I will make delivery. Okay, then I will again check. So here is no any error message, warning message. So warning messages I will neglect it. Now I will click on the post to post the document. And once our document is okay, the message is generated, material document is posted. So now that particular material, I will check that where is my stock. MMB, I will check where is my stock. Here I put material and plant and check. So as showing in MMB screen, my material is in quality inspection, 10 quantity and 70 number batch. So now my next step is to transfer this quality inspection stock towards unrestricted. So how I will transfer this quality to unrestricted, I will show you. So my next step is inspection lot created. I will show you how this inspection lot created. I will open another session. Once good receipt done, the inspection lot automatically generated. Here I will put today's date. Here I will put today's date. Plant and select all inspection. Execute. Look, this inspection lot, this inspection material, plant, lot quantity and status is released. Calculate SPRQ. So means our inspection lot generated. So current status, system status is REL, CALC, SPRQ. What is mean by this? CALC must sample calculated and cost quantity posting required. SPRQ means yet there is no any quantity posting done. So my next step is, as per showing on the chart, next step is result recording. So I will do result recording for that particular inspection lot. So now I will select it and move towards result. So here my MIC is fetch with specification. The specification is nothing but upper limit, lower limit, because this is quantitative MIC. So what is quantitative MIC? Qualitative. For that, I had already made one video. You can see that video and clear your concept. So now I will put result. This is additional information. This is okay. Then I will select it and evaluate this. Means either it is okay or not okay. So here valuation show me green signal means okay. Then I will log this result and save the result. So after refreshing, my system status will change. After refreshing, my system status will change. So I refresh this inspection lot. So now my system status is nothing but inspection result recorded, quantity posting required. Means still our quantity posting is not done. but our result recorded, RREC result recording. So now my next step is UD, usage decision. As per showing on the chart, my next step is after result recording is usage decision. Before that, I will show you this my quality inspection stock is not moved towards. If I refresh this also, my quality inspection stock still is in quality because there is no quality inspection usage decision is not done yet. So now my next step is to do UD, usage decision. So for doing particular usage decision, I will make code. I will choose usage decision code. So my code is 01, that is okay. And I click on inspection law stock. Here I want to put all stock to unrestricted use because I want to transfer my quality stock to unrestricted stock. Then I will save this result. I will show. Now my message comes that usage decision for lot is saved. So now once I refresh that screen, the system status is also changed and this red indicator turns towards green. So now I will refresh it. Okay, this green signal means our UD is done and my system status is also changed, that is usage decision completed, stock posting completed. So now I will move towards MMB screen. So in MMB screen, current stock is quality. Current stock is in quality, but once I refresh it, stock move towards unrestricted use. So I will refresh it. Okay, the stock is moved towards unrestricted. So now I will show you which moment type we use or which moment type done for that particular transaction. There are two moments types. First is 101, that is good receipt we done against purchase order, and second moment type is 301. 321, sorry. 321 is nothing but stock is moved from quality to unrestricted. So in this material document list, we will catch up all the data related to that material. Here material description, plant, storage location, moment type, material document number, posting date, batch also, quantity, and all the related data. So this is more about inspection type 01. I will make new video for inspection type 2, that is good issue inspection against production order. So meanwhile, you like our Yash Touch channel, you subscribe this channel and share this channel. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.